Hi everyone. In this video we're going to talk about the CryptoDo service. It is a web3 solution constructor for business. In recent years, there has been a clear trend towards the development of blockchain technologies and the integration of web3 solutions into businesses. More and more companies are using smart contracts and decentralized systems to optimize business processes. The total crypto market capitalization has exceeded $2 trillion. Following the lead of large corporations such as Amazon, Google, Twitter, PayPal and others, small and medium businesses have also discovered great opportunities through the implementation of smart contracts. There is a huge demand in the market for the creation and integration of blockchain solutions, but the complexity of development, high cost, and security risks of smart contracts make it quite difficult for businesses to enter Web3. That is why services like CryptoDo come into play. CryptoDo is a no-code platform for creating Web3 applications based on the blockchain. With CryptoDo, anyone can launch their own smart contract with a web interface for management in 5 minutes without programming skills. The service helps entrepreneurs improve existing business models and create new ones through the implementation of smart contracts into business processes. Multifunctional tokens, crowd sales, NFT collections, DAO organizations, liquidity blockers, game mechanics, logistics process optimization. All this and much more can be created in the user-friendly drag-and-drop interface of the CryptoDo platform. The service is currently functioning in public beta testing phase, but you can already create various smart contracts with it. Let's review the service's functionality. The first step is to connect the wallet. Select the connection method, the MetaMask or Wallet Connect. Press the Connect button and the MetaMask window will open. Next, the service asks us to sign messages with a wallet for authorization. Please sign. Now we get into the office. Here our wallet and the number of CryptoDo tokens on the balance are displayed. We can customize the language and choose the site's light theme. This dashboard displays the smart contracts that we have already created. Then press the Create Contract button. Select the blockchain in which we want to deploy our smart contract. Currently, Ethereum networks, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon and Aurora are integrated. For example, let's create our own ERC20 token contract. Select it from the drop-down, press the Next button and get to the contract writing page. Here we need to enter the name of your token, the symbol, the number of tokens that you want to issue and the number of decimal places. The address of the contract owner is displayed here. This is the same wallet address with which you have authorized on the site, but it could be changed if necessary. Then you should select a set of additional features that your smart contract needs. For this type of contract, you can choose the functions mint, contract pause, blacklist, and incinerate. Then there are 2 ways. You can pay the cost specified here and deploy the smart contract to the mainnet or deploy it for free to the testnet. When choosing a paid creation of a smart contract, a payment interface will be open in front of you. You can pay for the creation of a smart contract in BNB, BUSD and CryptoDo tokens. But you could try to deploy your token to the testnet for free. Select a testnet and confirm. Now there is a process of compilation of your smart contract, after which a MetaMask window should be open confirming the deployment transaction. Confirm the transaction and wait for its execution. Depending on the network and the type of contract, the deployment can take from 10 seconds to a couple of minutes. Our contract has been successfully created and now you can view it in the dashboard of the office. You can go to the page of the contract. It displays all its public data, the functions that it has and the generated source code of the smart contract. You can also go to Explorer and see what your smart contract looks like on the blockchain. Here you could see all the transactions that take place in the contract. Then you can look at the section with contract management functions. All the functions that you have set in the CryptoDo constructor are displayed here. Now we can go back to our constructor and explore the other types of blockchain solutions that can be created at the moment. Let's consider a smart contract for a deflationary token. It differs from a regular ERC20 token in a set of additional features. First of all, these are commissions embedded within each transaction. For example, commissions for liquidity, for burning or for marketing addresses. The architecture of the deflationary token differs from the standard one, so it is moved to a separate type of smart contract. Otherwise, the process of creating a contract is no different from a classic token. The next type of contract is an ICO contract or Crowdsale. With the help of this contract, anyone can launch a mass sale for their token and make it easier to attract investments into the project. Here you need to enter the name of the contract, the address of the token, the price at which you are going to sell this token, the blocking period for investors and the number of tokens that can be bought by one wallet. Crowdsale is one of the most popular types of contracts through which most blockchain startups are fundraised. NFT collection or ERC-721 contract is the next type of smart contract. As with the help of this type of contracts, you can launch your own custom NFT collection and sell it through popular marketplaces. The whole creation process is similar to other types of contracts. You need to enter the necessary data and select additional functions for the contract. Depending on the set of functions, the price of the contract changes. The last type of Web3 applications in this version of the service is a DAO contract. Through this interface, you can launch your own decentralized autonomous organization. DAO is an analog of a legal entity on the blockchain. With it, you can organize the collective management of business and finances with your partners. The process of creating the DAO is exactly the same as for other contracts. You need to enter the name of the DAO, the symbol, and add partners for this DAO, indicating their shares in GT tokens. Then you need to establish a quorum for our DAO. Quorum is the percentage of votes that you should collect in order the vote in the smart contract to be considered successfully. After deploying the DAO smart contract, a separate management page will be generated for it, where you can vote and manage assets. We looked through all types of smart contracts that are available in this version of the CryptoDo service. We only talked about the basic scenarios for using these Web3 solutions, but each of them has many uses in the real world. For example, an NFT collection contract can be used as NFT tickets for events, or as a reward for active loyal users, or as part of a company's marketing program. The same is true with tokens and DAOs and Crowdsale contracts. The opportunities that blockchain applications open up for us are really huge. The number of available types of smart contracts in the service is constantly growing. We regularly update the functionality and add new types of Web3 applications. For example, in one of the upcoming updates, the service will gain the ability to create contracts for vesting, logistics, and product gamification. Thank you for watching. Please follow CryptoDo on Telegram and Twitter to stay up to date on our latest updates.